Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change video resolution in Samsung Galaxy A55. Okay, let's get started guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, of course, we have to open our camera application. And once we have opened this camera application, we can go to the video section, tap on the video, and here you will be able to change the video resolution in your camera. You just need to click on it, and here you have three options. You have UHD, FHD, and just HD, and you can choose the resolution that you want to apply to your camera. And I'm going to select FHD but with the 60 FPS. Okay, and as you can see that now my video resolution has been changed. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change video resolution in Samsung Galaxy A55 camera. I hope this tutorial will be for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.